What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to discuss Cardano, aka ADA. So as you guys can see here, it is now number 3 on the coin market cap list. Cardano lately has been on a tear, but we all know that, for whatever goes up, things also happen to come down, right? So we're not going to be too focused on the fundamental aspect of it, which is probably what's driving the price up. But we will talk a little bit about it, right? So one of the things that Cardano has going for itself right now is the launch of the Gogen network, which is set to become their main network, right? So Cardano is aiming to be the most decentralized and the most secure third-generation cryptocurrency out there. And they're actually doing this by using a different programming language on the blockchain to make it more secure for institutional use, which is their main clientele. And one of Cardano's main objectives is to allow its users to easily create smart contracts without having any experience when it comes to programming, which is exactly what ETH also focuses on. But with Cardano, what they're doing is they're completely exploiting their system in order to create a better cryptocurrency. But that's enough with the fundamentals. You guys know that I'm really big on the technicals, and doesn't matter how good the fundamentals are, things always have to correct themselves. And as you guys know, we can't get too hyped up on the fundamentals. If you guys want to get a good price, let's say you guys do believe in this coin long term. I personally do. You always want to get a good price when you want to buy it. You never want to buy the top. Remember that. So with that being said, let's go ahead to our technicals and let's see what that tells us. All right. So we're looking at the monthly chart here. I just have a level lined up. We can ignore that. It's not really telling us much besides the fact that this was a huge spike, right? So we're going to go to the weekly. For this one, we're going to go to the daily. All right. So for this particular chart here, what this is telling me is that we are bound to retrace. So this has been on a tear lately. This phase here was around the 1 and 2 cent area. It was accumulating. We made some higher highs here, came back, retouched previous highs, and then skyrocketed further. Broke these highs here, came back for more accumulation to resize orders, and now we've gone higher. Once we blasted past this level, it has not came back, right? So yeah, I get it. Awesome news came out. Chart is, it looked bullish as hell for quite some time, but realistically speaking, I wouldn't personally buy these prices. I always like to buy things at a discount, and this area here to me just seems way too clean. I believe there's tons of liquidity here that has to make its way down for and get taken out. This is the area that I'm looking to actually get in and add to my position. So I would say between the 50 cent to 60 cent area is a good point for me to actually start accumulating more positions on this coin. I do believe this long term. As far as price projection, it's safe to say, I'm not going to say it's going to go to the moon, but it is safe to say that once we come down here and to this area here and form some type of support, I could potentially see this hitting $3, I would say, by the end of 2021. And the only logical explanation that I have for the $3 mark is that it's pretty much, we came to an all-time high of about 148, 150 or so. If you double that, which is, it'll be the next leg up of the overall all-time highs. From what we've seen in the past, that usually tends to happen a lot. Then you could easily see the $3 mark. Outside of that, I can't project how high it's gonna go. But to be on the conservative side, you could always expect a double price from the all-time highs. That's typically what we see in the past with these altcoins. And the all-time high was about 1.48, area. I would probably round it off to 1.50. You times that by 2, which equals the next extension up. You could easily see $3 on this coin, but it's not going to be easy and it's not going to be quick. I could potentially see this, happening by the end of 2021. It also depends on how the launch of the Gogen network actually takes place, because they are supposed to let us know between, you know, end of February, which happens to be today, and the beginning of March. So at the end of the day, we just have to kind of see how that launch goes and what is the hype behind that upon release. But I do think this is an overall good coin, and you know, if what they're saying is true as far as making it more secure than Ethereum and exploit all their weaknesses, then I think this could potentially be just as valuable as far as a coin goes than Ethereum. Not sure about the price. The way the market cap works and the supply, it's going to take a lot for Cardano to ever be a $1,000 to $2,000 coin. So let's just make that very, very clear. But again, this is you know, if you guys want to get in this, like I'm personally going to get in this more, or I'm going to add, it's going to be around the 50 to 60 cent area once we take out these this liquidity down here. I really do believe we're going to come down to that, especially the fact that we already broke a market structure here. We came back to the retrace, and what and I just see this going lower, to be honest with you. I don't really see this going higher anymore, especially since we just broke this market structure here, which is confirming, you know, the retracement. And it's the actual close of the candle, not like these out here, which they were just wicks. Wicks usually tend to tell you exactly where the next move is going to go, and as you can see here, that this was a extremely bullish wick. And here we have a clear close on the candles after the market structure break. We came back for the retest. So yeah, this is definitely confirmation for me that we're going to go lower. And I definitely do see tons of liquidity that has to be taken down here. So before I could pretty much add this to my portfolio, I would definitely have to see a purge of this area down here. So yeah, so with that being said, that's pretty much all I have on the Cardano. Again, it does have a lot of bullish fundamentals to it, but I always come back to the charts no matter what the fundamental is. The chart never lies, and the chart will always guide you the right way. So you always want to buy when everybody else is selling, and you always want to sell when everybody else is trying to buy. Just keep that in mind. So with that being said, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, join the Discord room down below. We provide tons of free value. We also have a paid section there, but again, we also do have a free section which we provide tons of value. So yeah, guys, with that being said, this was a very, very short video when it comes to Cardano. This is just my price projection. And I will say it again, I'm expecting this to go between the 50 and 60 area range, form some support, buy some coins there, and then go even higher. Overall projection before the year ends, I'm assuming it's going to be $3. But time will tell. Only the chart will let us know that. So yeah, with that being said, guys, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you're notified whenever we post a video, and you don't miss anything on this channel. But with that being said, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Remember to join our Discord room, and that's pretty much it, guys. See you on the next one.